Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lutfia Nurul Kulbi with NPM number 2021860031. Next, introduce the biggest and best entrepreneur, Elon Musk. Elon Musk is an American entrepreneur, investor, and business magnate. He was born on June 28, 1971 in Africa. Musk is the richest person in the world according to both Bloomberg Billionaire Index and Forbes Real-Time Billionaire List. Elon Musk is an introvert, a nerd, and a hard worker. He has many careers, namely Zip2, X.com, and PayPal, SpaceX, Tesla Motor, SolarCity, Hyperloop, OpenAI, Neuralink, and next, Yacht. In the beginning, Elon Rev Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, a suburb of apartheid, South Africa. Her mother is Mae Musk, a model and dieting, born in Saskatchewan, Canada, but raised in South Africa. His father is Elon Musk, a West South African electromechanical engineer, pilot, sailor, consultant, and property developer, who is the co-owner of the Zambian emerald mine near Lake Tanganyika. The Musk family was rich during his youth. His father was elected to the Pretoria City Council as a representative of the anti-apartheid Progressive Party, with Musk's children reportedly sharing their father's distaste for apartheid. After his parents divorced in 2002, Musk lived mostly with his father in Pretoria and Elsevier, a choice he made 2 years after the divorce and later regrets. Musk has become estranged from his father. He has a paternal half-brother and half-brother. As a child, Musk's adenoids were removed because doctors suspected he was deaf, but his mother later declared he was just thinking in another world. Again, then, Musk developed an interest in computing and video games and acquired the Commodore VIC-20. He learned computer programming using manual and at the age of 12, sold the scuff for a basic-based video game he had called Blaster to PC and Office Technology magazines for about $, and outworked an introvert child. Musk was built through his childhood and was hospitalized after a group of boys dared his downstarted. He attended Wycliffe Home Prep School and Bernstone High School before graduating from Pretoria Boys High School. And education, Elon Musk, realizing it was easier to enter the United States from Canada. Max applied for a Canadian passport with just sanguinis, told his mother, who was born in Canada. While waiting for documentation, he studied at the University of Pretoria for 5 months. This allowed him to advise conscription in the South Africa military. Max arrived in Canada in June 2009 and lived with his second cousin in Saskatchewan for a year, working odd jobs on the farm and lumber mill. In 2009, he entered Queen's University in Kingston, Ontario. 2 years later, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania, where he graduates in 2097 with a Bachelor of Arts in Physics and a Drake Bachelor of Science in Economics from the Wharton School. In 1994, Max held two internships in Silicon Valley over the summer at energy storage startup Financial Research Institute, which investigates electrolytic ultracapacitors for energy storage, and a Rockscan Games, the Palo Alto-based startup Rockscan Games. In 1995, he was accepted into the Doctor of Psychology program in materials science at Stanford University in California. Mark started to get a job at Netscape, but never received a response to his question. He left Starfood after 2 days, dating to join the internet boom and launch an internet startup. Next, career Elon Musk. At the age of 10, Max became interested in computer science. The age of 12, Max have started learning programming and has sold his first software, a game he created called Blaster. At the age of 70, in 2080, Max moved to Canada to study at Queen's University. At that time, Max changed his nationality to avoid mandatory military service in South Africa. In addition, he also felt that it would be easy to get United States citizenship. In 2002, Max officially became a U.S. citizen. Max left Canada in 2009 to study business and physics at the University of Pennsylvania. He graduated with a bachelor's degree in economics and went on to a second before in pieces. Next, founded Zip2, PayPal, and SpaceX. To pursue his PhD, Max attended Stanford University, California, in the field of energy physics. Just at that time, the internet was booming. Musk left Stanford and founded the Zip2 Corporation in 1995. Zip2 grew and Max and his brother created X.com, which also merged with Confinity and the company that is now known as PayPal. Shortly after, PayPal was purchased by eBay in October 2002. Max had founded a community that became known as Space Exploration Technologies, or SPEC, with Mark's goal of making cheap space flight. Next, founded Telsa Motor. Not stopping there, Max was also busy establishing Telsa Motors in 2003, an electric car company founded by Elon Musk, Martin Eberhard, Mark Terpening, J.B. Straubel, and Latwick, based in Palo Alto, California. Max took an active product role at Telsa. He helped develop his first car, the Roadster, which debuted in 2006. Since then until today, Max is the CEO of Telsa. Max's career journey is not always sums. In 2008, Max almost went bankrupt. That year was the worst year in his life. Telsa continues to lose money, and SpaceX has trouble launching a Falcon 1 rocket. In 2009, Max has to borrow here and there to survive, but now in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, Elon Musk, well, how thanks to Telsa, continues to collect. His hard work and efforts continue to pay off. Currently, based on data from Forbes, Elon Musk's wealth reaches $91.7 billion, or equal to 13.53 trillion. One of his careers was as the founder of SpaceX and Tesla. Tesla Motors is a company engaged in the automotive sector, specialty producing environmentally friendly electric cars. In 2002, Elon Musk founded SpaceX, which is a special space transportation company and works closely with NASA. The next motivation from Elon Musk: if something is important enough, you must try even if the result is likely to be failure. From Elon Musk, we can learn that whatever is done with the intention will surely come true. Never be afraid of failure, because that is one of the keys to success. Thank you.
What advice do I have for college graduates? Certainly, I'd invite you to apply for a job at SolarCity or Tesla or SpaceX. And if not, then if that doesn't work for whatever reason, then apply to jobs at other companies in that arena, or try starting a company.
And I want to know, what is the one thing that has surprised you about your life?
Well, I'm surprised by the whole thing, honestly. I certainly didn't expect to be for any of these things to happen, honestly. Yeah, I just knew I knew I wanted to be involved in technology, and in fact, the only reason I started a company back in '95, an internet company, was because I couldn't get it. There were only a few internet companies, and I couldn't get a job at any of them. So I tried to get a job at Netscape, and sent my resume in and tried hanging out in the lobby, but I was too shy to talk to anyone. And then I was like, okay, well, I guess I'll have to start a company because I can't get a job anywhere.
Thank you.
I wouldn't say I'm fearless. In fact, I think I feel fear quite strongly. But if what we're doing is, what I'm doing is, I think, is important enough, then I just override the fear. Mm-hmm. So, but it's not as though I feel like more strongly than I would like. I think also people tend to overweight risk on a personal level. It's one thing if you've got, a mortgage to pay and kids to support, and that if you were to deviate from your job, how are you going to feed your family and pay the rent? And okay, that's understandable. But let's say you're young and you're just coming out of college or coming out of high school or whatever. What do you risk? you're not going to starve. I mean,
Right.
it's really certainly not in any kind of modern economy. It's so easy to earn enough money just to live somewhere and eat food. I don't know what are they afraid of? They're mostly afraid of failure, I think. People should be less risk averse when there's not much at risk. I mean, I thought both Tesla and SpaceX would fail at the beginning.
You saw it?
Yeah,
So-
sure.
Really?
Of course.
But nevertheless, you put all your money in that.
I expected to lose it. Well, technically, what I thought was, well, I'll take half the money from PayPal, and if I lose half of it, that's okay. But then, of course, the companies encounter difficulties and then have a choice of either let the company die or put, all the money into the companies. And so I really didn't want the companies to die, so I put all the money in the companies.
Yeah.
And then I had to borrow money from friends to pay living expenses.
Yes.
It's just looking just for evidence of exceptional ability. And if there's a track record of exceptional achievement, then it's likely that will continue into the future.